Alright guys, we're going to be solving another question from the fundamentals of electric circuits. And in this one, the current through an element is shown on the figure on the right hand side, and we need to determine the total charge that passed through element at different time points. So 1 second, 3 seconds, and 5 seconds. So we solved a similar question in the previous video, and basically our current is dqt over dt. And if we just cross multiply this, we can figure out that the dqt is going to be I times dt. And if we do the integral on each side, we can find the charge, which is going to be the integral of I with respect to t. And we discussed that this is basically the area under the curve that we have in this graph. So I over t. And all we need to do in here is just to find the surface area under the graph for each time point, which is 1, 3, and 5. And we talked in the previous video, if you just want to go with the equation of I with respect to t, we just need to find the equation for each part of this graph. So basically we're going to divide it in these 4 different sections, and in each part we can find the equation and go off of that, but we're going to go with the shortcut that we have, or the area that we're going to have under the curve for each time point. Let's start with the 1 second. So 0 to 1, we basically have this rectangle here, so we're going to multiply this side, so 10 times 1 is going to be 10. And we have amp times second, this is going to give us coulombs, so that's for that. Let's move on to the 3 seconds. So on top of what we had from 0 to 1, we're going to have the surface area of this part too. So for t is equal to 3 seconds, we're going to have basically the 10 that we had from previous step. We have the area of this trapezoid, which is this side plus this side. So 10 plus 2 times this side, 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Sorry, I don't know why I put 2 in here, plus 5. And we're gonna have the area of this rectangle. This side is 1, this side, the other side is 5, so plus 5. This is gonna give us, so this is gonna be 7.5. It's 15 divided by 2, so 15 plus 7.5 is going to be 22.5 coulombs. And the last part is the t is equal to 5 seconds. So basically we had what we had before, 22.5. And we're going to add these two parts in here. Again, we can consider one trapezoid or just divide it into a rectangle and a right triangle. So this is going to be 2, this side is 1, and the height is also 5. So 2 plus 1 divided by 2 times the height, which is 5. And this is going to be 1.5. So times 5 is going to be 22.5 plus 7.5. That's going to be 30 coulombs. And the final answer for the C part of the question. Hope everything was clear. Again, we can use the main equation that we have, the integral of I with respect to t. But like if we are under the exam pressure or time constraint, it makes sense to go with the area that we have under the curve. It's much faster and we're gonna get the same answer. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.